Have you ever felt like your mind is a storm, spinning with thoughts, worries, and noise? Like you're stuck in a loop, scrolling endlessly, chasing tasks, yet never really feeling still? You're not alone. In today's world, silence has become rare, but within that silence lies something powerful, quiet space, a reset button for your brain. That's the gift of meditation. But wait, meditation isn't about becoming a monk on a mountain. It's about becoming still in a world that never stops spinning. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine this. You're standing by a calm lake. The sun is rising. A soft breeze kisses your face. You breathe in slowly and everything else just fades away. That feeling is what we're chasing. And the best part? You don't need to go anywhere to find it. It's already inside you. Let's make this simple. Meditation isn't a skill you master overnight. It's like brushing your teeth. A daily habit. You sit, you breathe, you watch your thoughts, and slowly the noise turns into music.
Now here's a secret. You don't need to empty your mind. You just need to watch it, like clouds passing in the sky. Let them come. Let them go. Some days it'll feel peaceful, other days messy, and that's okay. Because real peace comes from showing up even when your mind feels loud. Start with just 2 minutes. Sit, breathe, listen to the silence. No phone, no goals, just being. And as you do this daily, something amazing happens. You start hearing your own voice again. The real you, not the rushed version, not the stressed version, but the calm, clear you forgot was there. Meditation teaches you presence, and presence is power. When you're present, you eat slower, love deeper, worry less, and live more. So next time your world feels chaotic, pause, breathe, close your eyes, and return to that quiet lake inside you. Because peace isn't out there, it's in here, and you've had the key all along.